This video will teach you how to use the most efficient member of the Bookeye family, the Bookeye 4 V2 Semiautomatic. Maximize your productivity by scanning up to 700 pages per hour in the highest quality, either in the V shape, or in the flat book cradle mode. Placed on the unique V-shaped book cradle in reading position, sensitive books are scanned in the most gentle way. Scanning, cropping, and deskewing is done automatically. The brilliant crisp images are scanned with an optical resolution of up to 600 dpi. The scanned images are color calibrated and distortion-free, without any curvatures. The book cradle is designed for originals larger than A2. It can handle books, magazines, posters and loose or bound documents of all types. The cradle allows scanning either in flat mode or at an angle of 120 degrees. In V mode, the self-centering book cradle displays the book automatically in the center of the scanner. How to start semi-automatic scanning. To start the semi-automatic scanning process, the glass plate has to be in the upper position. After selecting auto mode, the batch scanning starts by pushing the start button. From that point on, scanning, and the movement of the glass plate, are done automatically. Alternatively, you can control the glass plate manually by pressing the down button. There are two speed modes. We suggest scanning very sensitive material at a slower speed. Select the slower mode simply by pushing the slow button. How to change the glass plate. Depending on your originals, the Bookeye 4 V2 Semiautomatic can be used either with a V-shaped or a flat glass plate. It is very easy to swap between them. You only have to loosen and fix one screw. The glass plate you are not using can be stored in a dedicated compartment in the optional stand of the scanner. When scanning in flat mode, the self-balancing book cradle matches perfectly with the shape of the book. The flexible structure supports careful handling of the books. Whether in flat or V mode, the Bookeye 4 V2 Semiautomatic scans your books in a truly gentle way, with high performance, as this device is particularly designed for scanning huge quantities of books. Digitize your inventory with a speed of up to 700 pages per hour, with the most efficient scanner in the industry. The Bookeye 4 V2 Semiautomatic. Our solution for maximum productivity even in 24/7 operation.